Machine learning sounds complicated, right? Like something only engineers or scientists understand. But what if I told you you're already using it every single day without even realizing it? And the crazy part is, once you understand it, you'll start seeing it everywhere. Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Ever notice this? How your phone just gets you. Like, it recommends videos you didn't even search for, and somehow you end up watching them anyway. Or when you're typing a message, and it already suggests the exact words you were about to write. Even those quick replies. Okay, sounds good. On my way. It's like your phone is finishing your thoughts. And think about this. You open Instagram and the first few posts are exactly what you like. You go on YouTube and the homepage already knows what you'll click. Even Google Maps, it tells you when to leave before you're even late. At this point, it almost feels like your phone is reading your mind, right? But here's the truth. It's not magic, it's not luck, it's machine learning working behind the scenes. All right, so what actually is machine learning? In the simplest terms, machine learning means learning from data, not from instructions, not from rules, but from examples. Here's the key idea. Normally, when we program something, we tell the computer exactly what to do, step by step. Like, if this happens, do this. But machine learning flips that completely. Instead of giving rules, we give data, and the computer starts finding patterns on its own. It learns what works, what doesn't, and improves over time. So instead of saying, "This is how you solve the problem," we say, "Here are many examples, you figure it out." No hard coding every step, just learning from experience. That's why it feels so smart, because it's not just following instructions, it's actually learning. Let's understand this with a super simple example. Imagine teaching a small child what a dog is. You don't sit them down and explain rules like 4 legs, 2 ears, a tail. That would just confuse them. Instead, you show them pictures. 1 dog, 2 dogs, 10 dogs, different sizes, different colors, different shapes. Slowly, the child starts recognizing the pattern. And one day, they see a new dog and say, "Hey, that's a dog," even though they've never seen that exact one before. That's learning from examples. And guess what? Machine learning works exactly the same way. We don't give rules, we show lots of examples, and the computer learns the pattern. That's why we say machine learning is learning by seeing examples. And here's the crazy part. You're not learning something new, you're already using it every single day. Think about YouTube. Those video suggestions? That's not random. It's learning what you watch, what you skip, what you replay. Same with Instagram. The posts you see first? That's ranked based on what you like, comment, and spend time on. And Google Maps, it doesn't just show directions, it predicts traffic and tells you the fastest route before you even get stuck. All of this is machine learning working in the background, quietly learning, quietly improving, and quietly shaping what you see. That's why machine learning is already a part of your daily life. Now, you might be thinking, okay, this is interesting, but why should I actually care? Here's why. Machine learning is what powers tools like ChatGPT, the same kind of AI people are using every day right now. It's already being used in healthcare to help detect diseases early, in gaming to create smarter, more realistic experiences, in finance to predict trends and manage risk. And this is just the beginning. Companies everywhere are looking for people who understand this. That's why machine learning is one of the most in-demand skills today. So when you start learning this, you're not just learning a topic, you're preparing for the future, because this is the future of technology. So here's the thing. Machine learning isn't hard. You've just never seen it explained this simply. You don't need to be a genius. Just start small and stay consistent, and I'll guide you step by step. In the next video, we'll break down where machine learning is used in daily life. So subscribe now and let's build this skill together. Like if you learned something new, subscribe and press the bell. Comment your feedback and follow on Instagram.